Everyone keeps talking about cutting government waste. I think that's a fair conversation. Taxpayers deserve to know where their money is going. But I do have another question. Has anyone actually compared the money being cut to the money being spent defending these decisions in court? If the goal is reducing government spending, where's the report? Where is it going to show how much was projected to be saved? How much has actually been saved? How much has been spent on lawsuits? Or how much has been spent on the Department of Justice attorneys? How much has been spent on outside legal counsel? How much has been spent on settlements, judgments, and attorney's fees? How much is being spent rewriting policies after courts blocked them? Because taxpayers, we pay for both. Many of these policies involve people or communities with unique legal protections or legal obligations under federal law. That includes tribal nations, Native Hawaiians, Alaska Native communities, American Indians, Compact of Free Association citizens, people living in U.S. territories like Guam, Puerto Rico, U.S. Virgin Islands, the Northern Mariana Islands. Can also include America Samoans who are U.S. nationals. We also have language access programs and DEI-related policies, birthright citizenship proposals affecting the territories, refugee and asylum policies, and other constitutional, statutory, and treaty-based obligations, which someone supports these policy change or opposes them, isn't the point I'm making. My question is much simpler. Was there a cost-benefit analysis? Did anyone estimate how much litigation would cost? How many constitutional challenges would likely be filed? How many agencies would spend implementing these policies? How much enforcement would this cost? Whether legal expenses could eventually outweigh the projected savings? If those reports exist, taxpayers should be able to read them. If they don't exist, why weren't they completed before these policies were implemented? This isn't just about politics. It's about accountability. Government should only tell us what they're cutting. They should also tell us what is costing to defend these decisions, whether taxpayers are actually saving money or whether spending has simply shifted from one budget category into years of litigation appeals and legal defenses. And that's why I'm filing a Freedom of Information Act request. I'm asking for any existing cost-benefit analyses, financial impact reports, litigation estimates, settlement data, attorney fee records, and budget comparisons if the goal really is cutting waste. Then let's measure all the costs, not just the ones that make the headlines. Transparency shouldn't depend on politics. Taxpayers deserve the full picture.